Blooming sa kanyang Michael Cinco red gown ang debutante na si Julia Barreto. Ginanap ang debut sa Rizal Ballroom ng Makati Shangri-La Hotel na dinaluhan ng mga malalapit na kaibigan ni Julia sa loob at labas ng showbiz. Ilan sa mga bisita ay sina Erich Gonzalez kasama si Daniel Matsunaga, Megan Young, Enchong D at Inigo Pascual na siyang last dance ni Julia sa 18 Roses.
Gusto niya lang magpunta kami dito, gusto niya well-attended yung party niya.
Don't let the fame take away the little girl in you. I know you're 18 today, but you'll always be a little girl to all of us.
I wish her good in her life, her career, and her health, and just her happiness.
Masaya pero ninenervyos naman ang kanyang amang si Dennis Padilla na siyang first dance ni Julia.
I never expected na may invite pa ako. She will remain my baby kahit nadalaga na siya and I'm just a text away.
Pero pinakamagandang regalo na tanggap ni Julia ngayong gabi ay ang pagdalo ng kanyang pamilya. Halos na kumpleto ang pamilya Barreto sa okasyon.
Everything nice. Peace. Peace, you know what I mean? Yeah. She's not my granddaughter.
Namana sa inyo, Mami Inday, ang pagiging matapang.
Oo, matapang lang nga, di mataray.
Julia looks so pretty. Pwede na kami mag-family picture. I'm happy kasi syempre she's entering a new chapter in her life. So it's important for her to step into the new chapter with no emotional baggage.
Special moment naman ang pagdating ni Claudine na ngayon lang ulit makikita ang kapatid na si Marjorie matapos ang 3 taon.
After all, she's my sister and I love her. Yun, okay na, tapos na yan.
Everything's
Move on
forgotten.
na.
You think parang
I can't wait to see her. This is such a very special day for our family. We're all gonna be together and it's Julia's night. As long as my mom and my dad are happy, Julia's happy, I am very happy.
Ang kulang na lang ay si Gretchen na bumiyahi na papuntang London. Ganun pa man, hindi mapapantayan ang kaligayahan ni Julia kasama ang pamilya. MJ